Hello everyone and welcome back. And we're using Qwen now. So I know I'm doing the whole DeepSeek type of stuff, but I just wanted to do this video because I know that now a lot of stuff is blowing up, like with AI art and videos and everything. So this one is something that I saw on Reddit. I know Reddit out of all places. It's actually pretty good for art and everything. And then people then complain about AI, and then so there's that. So this one was from someone. He's an AI artist, and I really liked the style, and it was on Gemini. I'm not really the biggest fan of Gemini. It's not the basic version isn't that great. I heard the Pro Advanced version is a lot better, but his style was he basically did street art, so basically kind of like graffiti. Like if you remember like GTA and all that type of stuff where he has to use graffiti and everything. So this one is a high definition photo of some street art done by spray paint on a brick wall. And this one is of Ronald McDonald eating Burger King. I know, it's kind of funny. Like why would Ronald McDonald go to Burger King? Why the Burger King would go to McDonald's? But it's on Gemini. I like using Qwen a lot better because it's just, look at this. Like his is not too bad too. It's a little bit more traditional, but I do like this a little bit better due to the fact that like it's the same prompt, but it is, I think it's a lot more detailed from that perspective. Like there's a lot more detail, a lot more color into it. And again, all free. So Gemini, you have to pay to a certain degree. They have the Image Gen 3, but it's I did some thumbnails for some previous videos, and compared to Qwen, it's not that great. But yeah, a lot of stuff is blowing up now with the art, and now lots of people are making a lot of art and everything. I will put his Reddit in the link in the description below to check him out. Just wanted to, how do I put it? Just do this because it's interesting. Yes, I do tutorials about other stuff, but like, I just liked it so much that I was just like, you know what? I want to do a video about it. And I know that AI art is going insane now. Like it's getting to the point now where people are like literally like AI art, like literally trying to like on like obviously on X, on Reddit and other places, Instagram itself. They're literally trying to say, no, this isn't art. Instagram, Meta, and Reddit and X Corp should stop this. Like, they're not. You got to remember that Meta literally has some, obviously Meta AI, and obviously X Corp has Grok. So yeah, I don't think Zuck or Musk are just gonna. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna stop that anytime soon. So again, it's a big money maker. They see the potential. So like, it's not gonna happen. All you delusional people, it's not gonna happen. I'm sorry. It's here to stay. So this is just my kind of version of it. He has his, I'll link his Reddit in the description. You can see his version. It's a little bit more traditional, a little more like an old type of school graffiti. This one is a lot more new. I just like Qwen better because I like the color, and it looks, to me, Qwen is just like the go-to. I have other ones that can do probably the same thing, but I just the vibrancy of it, like it's just the detail that I really like, that I think Qwen has over, and it's free as well. Like a free AI has a lot more like professional features. Like obviously for Gemini, if I want to get this professional, I would have to pay, which, as they say, I have a free trial. It's still deciding if I should use it or not. Maybe later. But yeah, this is just one of those things that I just find really cool. It's just, again, I know that I should do a DeepSeek, but again, mind you, I did a tutorial about Rosebud, so there's that too. Sometimes I break, Oh yeah, again, I break a little type of stuff. Again, I just like talking about stuff and like doing tutorials that interest me. If something catches my eye, I'll definitely do it. So this is the first one on Qwen. I will be doing the comparison on some other type of stuff on Qwen. I mostly have a lot of artwork on Qwen because I just like it. I'm not too sure how it would do a resume or like other things like that. But again, just to do something a little bit different, a little of a shorter video. But I will definitely link his Reddit in the description because, as they say, I got to give credit where credit is due. And I'm even myself, I'm experimenting with some AI art myself. I probably will post some, like maybe like my company Discord and my YouTube, or maybe on my channel to if anyone's kind of interested in that too. So there's that. And as always, Mr. Z signing out, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe.